Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm super excited to be on here with each and every one of you. My name is Emmanuel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right here, I'm going to be giving you so much value within the shortest frame of time possible as regards trading the foreign exchange market. Right. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. So at the moment, there's so many concepts about forex trading. There's so many information, so many resources saying different things about forex. But over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be just hitting the nail on the spot by delving into the right information, into the necessary information as regards your profitability in trading the financial market. Let's get straight into it. What is Forex trading? A beginner's guide. Forex or foreign exchange is about buying and selling currencies. It's as simple as that. It's like a giant marketplace where currencies are exchanged. It is also the largest financial market in the world with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. Now, how exactly does Forex work? Forex trading is about speculating on currency prices movements. Traders buy a currency pair if they think the base currency would strengthen against the quote currency. Conversely, they sell if they believe the base currency will weaken against the quote currency. Now, don't get it twisted here. Some of you are actually trying to understand what a base currency is and what compared to what a quote currency is. But don't worry, over the next couple of minutes, you'd have a good idea of what base and quote currencies are. Now, who are the players in the foreign exchange market? The forex market is populated by various players. You have the banks, you have the financial institutions, you have corporations, you have government, and then you have the individual traders like you and me. Now, what exactly are currency pairs? Currencies are literally traded in pairs, right? You have the euro, you have the EUR/the USD, which actually implies the euros versus the United States dollar. You have the GBP/JPY, which actually implies the Great British pounds versus the Japanese yuan. Right? So at any point in time you want to consider trading, you trade a currency pair, meaning you trade two currencies against one another. Now, the first currency in the pair is referred to as the base currency. So in this case, if we're talking about the euro versus the United States dollar, the euro is the base currency in that pair, right? And then the second currency is the quote currency, which is the United States dollar in euro USD, right? So the price of the pair reflects how much of the quote currency is needed to buy 1 unit of the base currency. Let me explain that in a moment. So if, for instance, you have the euro versus the United States dollar at 1.120, let's just use 1.120 as an instance, right? It simply means that 1.120 US dollar is what makes 1 euros. I'd say that again. You have euro USD, the euros versus the United States dollar at a price of 1.120. It simply implies that it's going to cost you 1.120 it's going to cost you 1.120 US dollar for an euro. So the price of the pair reflects of how much of the quote currency. Remember, the quote currency is the second currency in the pair. So the price of the pair reflects how much of the second currency in the pair is needed to buy 1 unit of the first currency in the pair. Hopefully you got that. Trading platforms. What exactly are the trading platforms that exist in the market? To trade Forex, you would need a trading platform, right? People get it so complicated. There are so many people who, as of today, they still believe that to trade Forex, you need to sit down with your laptop and watch those charts moving up and down. No, that's not the case. To literally trade Forex, you would need a trading platform. And this trading platform are software applications provided by brokers. They allow you place trades, analyze the market, and manage your account with these software applications. The wonderful thing about those software applications is that they are literally downloadable. You could download them on any internet-enabled gadget, your Android phones, your iPhones, your iPads, whatever internet-enabled gadgets you have can download these software applications. And the popular platforms that exist are the MetaTrader 4 and 5, which offer user-friendly interface and a range of tools for technical analysis. Now, what are the risks and rewards in trading? Unfortunately, most people know about the risk. They know so many things about the risks, but they have no idea of the rewards. Now, forex trading can be highly rewarding. Take it from me, who has been trading for the last 5 years actively, right? But it is not without risk, no doubt. Currency prices can be volatile, influenced by economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. It is essential, however, to have a solid risk management strategy in place, including setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Don't worry, in the forthcoming videos, you have an idea of how to literally execute or how to leverage solid risk management strategies that can put you most of the time in the position of rewards with calculated risk, right? So in conclusion, forex trading is a fascinating world that offers endless opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right mindset, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Remember, every seasoned trader was once a beginner. So take your time, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you once again for tuning into this channel to see this video. The next video will be talking about how to trade forex with zero experience, like literally zero experience, right? If you got value from this video, please do click on the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends. I'll see you all in the next video.